This is a matter that we had debated through with our teams all through. Luckily, PP1s can be taught in shifts. And I think the government is going to, if we go that direction, the government is going to manage. And that shift system can also be done in primary 1. So we shall be able to do it in primary 1 the following year, primary 2 and primary 3. By the time we are full blown into CBC, things will sort themselves out. That's not a big issue. On the other issue, in order to preempt you about school fees, because I think that's what is itching you, there seems to be a lot of noise about school fees. And for me, God first and God last, I'm in the middle. Let us be realistic here. The first term's fees was spent and it is lost. So don't even think that we are going to sit down with you to waste time saying, oh, there were 10 days in first term. That one is not going to be there. Second term was not there. So somebody who had paid for it in advance should be refunded. If there are issues that happened in any particular school that requires that the parents and the teachers sit down together with the head teacher, and he convinces them that, you know, this is what I did, I want you to help me approve it. Then you discuss it and approve. Otherwise, everybody expects that the fees for first term, are we together, will have to be paid again because it was almost complete. Second term, if you had paid earlier, it will be refunded to you, or it will go into account for the second term. Yeah. And third term. I don't know why Kenyans are very complicated people. It's simple and straightforward. Yeah. If for any particular reason there was a calamity, for example, in the school, and the head teacher had to do something that required you to endorse, he will sit down with you and agree. Yeah. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Now you can allow me to go back to where it is not too hot.